We're going to begin our 5-minute ab workout with half rollbacks. So feet are bent, legs are about hip width apart. We sit up as tall as we can. You can hold onto underneath the thighs for support if you need to, or arms can reach forward, grow tall from the spine. Inhale and exhale. Inhale again as we roll halfway back, tuck that pelvis into a little C curve, and then we come all the way up. So again, little tuck, roll back. Maybe your hands are here. You can use them to help you come back to a seated position. Roll back. Grow tall. Inhale. Exhale as you come up. Let's do 3 more. On this last one, tuck those hips and let's roll all the way back. Nice and slow. Support your head with a pillow if you need to, and we're going to extend the legs long. We're going to lift one leg up. Opposite hand in opposition is up above the head. We lift the leg, and then leaving our head on the floor, we kind of cross the midline of the body with that arm and come back down. Little crunch. This is a great one for the transverse abdominis, which is our natural corset. And I'm always telling you to pull in with the belly button to the spine. Again, head, neck, and shoulders stay on the floor. One more. Let's switch sides. Raise the other arm. Lift the opposite leg. Little cross and a reach. Pressing the lower back into the floor the whole time. Inhale. Exhale, reach. 2 more. All right, let's bend those knees. Arms come behind, supporting the head. We're going to do what I call like a 6-point crunch. So right now I have a little space underneath my lower back. The first step is to smush that space, right? Make it disappear. So we'll pelvic tilt, pressing the lower back into the floor. That's 1. We come halfway up 2. We come all the way up into that crunch 3. Lower halfway down, all the way down, then release the hips. So tilt, up, 2, down, 2, and relax. Open the space, close the space. Think about lifting your chest up rather than forward. That little pelvic tilt not only works the lower abs, but it gets us into proper form. Release, crunch, up, up, lower, lower, and release. Let's do 2 more. Okay, next we're coming onto our side. Supporting your head on your elbow, so both hands are actually behind the head. Hips are not going to move. We're going to take our leg off the floor if you can, swipe it forward, and as we do, we have a nice lean back here. Leg comes to the back as we lean forward. So we're just doing this back and forth, again, in upper and lower body in opposition here. If you need to lower that top arm for support, go for it. Go at your own pace here. And again, think about using your core. Hips stay as still as they can. And one more. And bend the knee. And let's quickly go to the other side. Elbow down, elbow back. Front leg sweeps forward as we open up that top elbow. Leg sweeps back as we lean forward. Really think about opening up the chest here. Let's inhale and exhale. So good, you guys. Thanks for trying this challenging new move. Full body, really. One more. Relax the leg, and you can push yourself back up to a seated position. That's it. Good job.